This presentation right here only took me a few minutes to make. It's just a simple presentation about why you are wasting your time on PowerPoint in 2026 and why with the help of AI and HTML presentations, you can make way more advanced presentations only putting in a fraction of the work. I'll show you exactly how to do this yourself, but this is the simple presentation that AI put together about why you need to stop using PowerPoint and Google Slides. PowerPoint, static slides, clunky animations, hours of manual formatting, file compatibility nightmares. With HTML and AI, you can get fully interactive elements, modern smooth animations, describe it, AI builds it, share as a simple URL, works everywhere, instantly. Because you see, the problem with PowerPoint and Google Slide is that it is very much limited to what it can do. But when you're using AI to make your presentations for you, it is using HTML, which is essentially just raw code. Meaning it has no software limitations. It can build anything that you want from scratch and make it look absolutely incredible. It can make any sort of interactive elements. The workflow is super simple. You basically just describe your vision, Claude builds it, refine it with words after you see the first draft, just tell AI what to change, and you then have your complete presentation ready to present. And AI ended this presentation with a quote: "The gap between people who use AI properly and people who don't is getting wider every single day." And this is getting more and more obvious by every week that passes, because just in 2026 alone, we've had some incredible new AI tools, and people that are starting to use it are 10 times more productive than the people who don't. So let me show you exactly how you can make presentations just like this to impress your team in minutes. The AI that we will be using, and the most powerful AI on the market right now, is Claude and Opus 4.5. I will leave a link to Claude down below, but what you want to do is create a new project. If I head into project, I have created a new one called presentations, because here Claude will remember everything you instructed and you can use the same framework for all of your presentations. To create this presentation I just showed you and the next one that I'm about to show you that's even more impressive, all I wrote is that this project is only for making HTML presentations, so I want you to act like a visual designer and expert presenter that knows exactly how to impress a board. Then I just added a simple PDF file of my YouTube script, which I would present here today. And I said, this is my YouTube script for a video about why people should stop using PowerPoint and rather use Claude to create advanced HTML presentations instead. Can you make this entire script into an advanced presentation that I can show in the video to impress the audience? Add advanced visuals and graphics and interactive things that aren't possible in PowerPoint. Ask me if you have any questions for further context. And I always like to end all of my prompts with this text, because then Claude is going to ask you any questions it may have to make sure it is able to create the presentation that you are looking for. So I answered these simple questions and I went ahead and built this entire document and presentation in a couple of minutes. But let me show you an even more impressive presentation, because the next thing I did was I added this massive CSV file, which is basically just raw data, over 2,000 lines of raw e-commerce data from an e-commerce client. So this is January 2026 sales and analytics. So I just attached the file. I said for the next presentation, I added a huge data file for my e-com client. I want you to make a high quality presentation showcasing the key data and numbers with loads of interactive visuals and graphs, and analyze all the data and include one graph or slide with the key improvement points based on your analysis. It then went ahead and read the entire file. It went ahead and built this entire presentation right here. Neon Gear, January 2026 sales report. You have executive summary with total revenue, etc. You have revenue by day of the week. Friday and Saturday drive 44% of weekly revenue. Very good to know. Category performance. You can see what sort of products sells the best. You then have top performing products. So noise canceling headphones was the best selling product. You then have traffic source performance, organic, Google ads, Facebook ads, average order value by the different sources, as well as amount of orders, United States, Canada, as well as the top US states. You then have payments and promotions, so you can see exactly which promotions did the best. You then have daily revenue trend. You can hover over any day to see the exact revenue. Then you have key improvement opportunities, Facebook ads, cancellation rate, highest cancellation rate of all traffic sources, review ad targeting and landing page experience, TikTok ads, low average order value. You then have scale affiliate program, highest average order value, and 0 cancellations. Only 26 orders. This is a huge growth potential. And then low margin products. And then it goes ahead and shares the revenue impact analysis if I were to implement all of these changes. So this is a potential of $18,000 in potential gain and 14% revenue increase. And then it gave me a recap. And this was the very first draft of this presentation and literally took me 5 minutes. Now imagine if I spent an entire hour going back and forth with AI to optimize this presentation, just how good it would look. Now try doing something like this in PowerPoint in 5 minutes. I wish you the best of luck. But this is exactly why the gap between people who use AI properly and people who don't is getting wider every single day, because the things AI can do these days is absolutely incredible. And this is exactly why you need to stop wasting time on building PowerPoints or Google Slides or so many other things, to be honest, manually, and rather hand it off to AI. If you get good at using and prompting AI, you are going to be 10 times more productive and get 10 times better results, quite frankly, than the people who don't. Now, I hope this video gave you some value. If you have any questions about Claude, how to use it, how to optimize it, do let me know down below in the comment section. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel if you found any value in this video. We are going to be posting so many more videos of exactly how AI can have an impact on your business and your life. So you definitely don't want to miss out on that. With that said, I hope you have an amazing rest of your day, and I'll see you guys later.